subscriber. If you guys are subscribed and you hit that notification bell, you guys already know what time it is. It is hair week basically, so I'm gonna be doing Julia's hair. I'm gonna be whipping up something cute. She likes these little curly bundles that I have for my hairline, which is Royalty of Queens. So I'm gonna reuse these and just probably give her maybe 2 ponytails, 1 ponytail, not sure, just gonna figure it out. But just watch the video, guys. Julia's playing her new little Nintendo DS. You like your new game, Julia?
Yeah.
You sold your PS5 to CG on 32s, right?
Yep.
That was pretty lame. But I don't think it's pretty lame. Like Leon, he doesn't even play his PlayStation, so can you make your chair go down?
Nope.
That's how far it goes.
Yeah.
Guys, as you guys can see, I'm really, really short. Julia, how tall are you? You're
5'6".
Julia's 5'6", and yes, Julia is really taller than me, guys. I'm only 5'4", and she's 5'6". It's crazy. How is my oldest kid freaking bigger than me? Like, that's crazy. So I'm just probably going to give you 2 pigtails because that's what you wanted last time, and I didn't do that. So I think I'll do it for you this time, Jalele. What game are you playing?
Mario Kart Deluxe 8.
Mario Deluxe. Do you want high ponytails or low, like right here?
Yeah.
Or up here?
The first one.
I'm using some Hairstyle gel, the black castor oil and flaxseed. I like it. It's pretty good on Julia's hair. It actually holds it really, really good. The only thing that I hate about it is like in a couple of days, even though it says it doesn't flake up, it flakes up.
It flaked up so much.
Yeah. I hate about the Hairstyle gel. It's like, how are you gonna say that it doesn't flake, but it flakes? Okay, Royalty Nation, I got Julia's hair all braided up. Ta-da! Do they look even?
Yeah.
So next I'm going to sew on the tracked hair for Julia so she can have some little extensions. But I'm going to show you the method that I use so that they're not so long. So say if I were to leave it this length and put the weave on the tip of this, then her extensions are going to be like below her butt, and that's way too long. So a method that you guys can do is just basically fold them just to make it a little bit smaller so that her extensions won't be so long. And then I just use a rubber band instead of using the needle and thread, because the rubber band method is just like a little bit more easier for me. And it's easier to take out instead of having to cut out all the string and stuff. So I'm just going to put a couple of rubber bands on here. So it looks like this. Little short, little stubby piece of hair. So there you have it. Make them a little short. And I'm about to sew on the hair. Okay, got my tracked hair here. And I'm just about to sew it on. So I sewed it all the way to the top and I left a little piece out so that I could just wrap it around. Okay, Royalty Nation, I have sewed on Jalea's tracks, her little curly hair. This is actually water wave. I'm just gonna actually go in with some water and try to curl it back up and make it look nice and party. So, you like it, Jalea?
Yeah.
Stand up, Julia. They're really not that long. You can turn around. That sums up this video. Do you like it, Julia?
Yeah.
Do you think you're gonna be able to keep this up? Are you gonna put a bonnet on your head?
Yeah.
Please put a bonnet on your head, Julia, because it's taken a lot of time out of my day to do your hair. Okay, girl? Okay. So Royalty Nation, please leave a like if you like this video. Also, make sure you subscribe, hit that notifications bell if you haven't already. So it's on to the next kid's hair, which is Carnation. So hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.